No ideas? No problem. I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down different video ideas that you can totally swipe and use for the month of April. Welcome back to all my Holly G's VIP. So good to see you here again. And if you're new to me, my name is Holly G. I am your go-to video gal, and what I do is I help leading ladies save time on both sides of the camera by teaching them the skills they need to create business cinema, which is video with a plan, purpose, system, and strategy. If you want to learn more about that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Ching, 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 ching. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified when new videos go live. Okay, so video ideas for the month of April. This is the number one question I get asked all the time. I need ideas for my video, or I don't know what kind of videos I should be making. I've got you covered. And I've got you covered for the whole year. Actually, if you want to, don't worry about grabbing a pen and paper and jotting these down. I have a sweet free downloadable that you can check out right here that covers all of the ideas for 2020. So we're going to be breaking these ideas down in 3 different ways. The first is monthly events specifically for the month of April. The second way is date specific events. And then the last is topics, themes, and ideas that you can use for the month of April. So let's get started. Okay, so the first monthly event, we have International Customer Loyalty Month. So this is a great opportunity for you to send video messages to your customers and thank them for their loyalty. Thank you for being so loyal. Thank you for being so loyal. It is also Stress Awareness Month. So if your industry has anything to do with stress, this is a great opportunity to take advantage of the opportunity for you to create content around this particular topic in the month of April. It is also National Pet Month. Are you a cat person or a dog person or a bird person or a snake person or a ferret? Put whatever kind of animal person you are in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I love pets. This is actually my dog right back here. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, wait, right here. This is my dog down here, Mr. Buster. Next up, we have date specific events. So obviously April 1st is April Fool's Day. So if this is something that you're into, you can incorporate this idea into your business in a fun and clever way to really pull a prank on your audience or to do something really just fun and light and inject your sense of humor into your business. April 7th is No Housework Day. I mean, ping, no housework. I'm gonna take that day off. April 16th is National Stress Awareness Day. So if you want to incorporate what you're doing for the Stress Awareness Month into a specific day, you can choose the 16th because it's Stress Awareness Day. Who wants to be stressed out? I don't want to be stressed out. I don't want to stress. I don't want to be stressed. I don't want to be stressed. April 27th is Tell a Story Day. So you can take an opportunity to tell a story about your business that maybe people haven't heard yet. Okay, so last but not least, we have topics, themes, or ideas, right? So these are different things that you can make in general for the month of April. So April is spring, renew, refresh. So maybe you can create some sort of a refresh video. So whether that's refreshing a specific idea, a viewpoint. This is great if you're like into like spring cleaning and whether you want to do like a digital detox or, you know, find some way to bring that theme into the video content that you're creating for your business. And those are just a few of the ideas. I have a ton more where that came from inside the 2020 Video Content Map Ideas Workbook, along with some other fun, amazing tools to help you create amazing videos for your business. Another great download I have that goes perfectly with this is the Video Script Formula, which is my personal script formula that I use to craft really killer videos for my YouTube channel. So you can check out that as well. The link is included below. And remember, you are someone's reason to smile. So don't give up.